guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I just recently uploaded my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, so if you guys haven't checked that out, I'll go ahead and have it in the I'll have it at the end of this video. I'm interested to see if the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is going to be better or worse than the Ultimate. So let's go ahead and get diving into this. If you guys want to know the good stuff about Ipsy, how it works, you guys know the drill. Just go ahead and look down below, but we're going to get started. I went ahead and I loaded my Ultimate bag, just the boxing alone, because the boxes have been coming separately and they've been coming at different times. So instead of just holding onto them, I figured that we would just go ahead and unbox them. I don't know if that will be the case for every month from here on out, but if they obviously come together, I will try to put them together. But if they're going to be this far apart from each other, then I'm just going to go ahead and upload them separately. So this month's theme is Clean Slate. It was the same theme from the Ultimate box. And then we will get a bag, and this is what the bag looks like. It's got this really pretty marbling, and then it does have the little handle so you can take it as like, you know, like a really cute little clutch. Things First is by Herb, and this is actually the same thing I got in my Ultimate bag, but this is the Tea Tree 90 toner pad. So it's a round cotton pad that has tea tree ingredients in it, and there are 20 of them. It's the same exact one that we got in the Ultimate. Now I am excited to use this. I am going to be very careful though, because I know a couple of you guys in the comments in the last unboxing mentioned to me that you guys had tried this and it dried out your skin. So just an FYI, be very careful with these. Next up is by Pure Release. This is the 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. Decrease dark circles, puffiness, and tones the eye area. You can use this day and night after cleansing. Definitely great. This is formulated for all skin types. I have used Pure Release. I actually raved about them in my best of Ipsy for 2019. I did kind of like a recap of everything that I fell in love with from Ipsy, and Pure Release was one of the brands that I really fell in love with. I have the Nature's Cartel lipstick, which is this pretty pink box, and then on the side it's got a cheetah print packaging. Ooh, I like that. It's like nice and white and sleek. I wouldn't say it's like completely matte, but it is got a little bit of a like hydration you can feel to it. Have to try this out and see how it goes, but I really like that shade. Products left. I have 3 products left, and this next one is probably going to end up being like the reason why this box is so amazing. It is the Huda Beauty Ruby's Obsessions palette. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the Mauve Obsessions. I have definitely had nothing but really good luck with the Huda Beauty shadows. I was at Sephora the other day because I wanted to try out I was just looking actually. There was really no reason why I was in there. This one had like every single brand that you could think of. Like, it was so nice, and so I was in there for a very, very long time. I wanted just to smell the resting, is it the resting bitch face spray or resting face, whatever they call it. I just wanted to smell it because everybody says that it's super intense and the scent's really strong. I could see it if you were sensitive to like smells, it could be pretty strong, but the point of the story is that I was checking these out and they had the new ones, like the nude obsessions, like I don't know what they're called, but I'll put them right here. They were gorgeous, and I almost bought one, but then I looked at the line, and the line was like 15 deep, and I was like, I'm not waiting that long, and they only had 2 people at the counter. I feel like just from swatching it though, it's definitely got that same formula as the other ones. I have the mauve and the green one, but just from swatching it, I can already tell you guys that it is very soft. You know, it's got that same formula as the other ones. But yes, those palettes were so pretty, and they were really, really like deep bronzy tones, and they were really, really pretty palettes. I have 2 more items left. I have the Sugar Wingman Waterproof Micro Eyeliner, which I will not open only because I have so many liquid liners I have to get through. I really need to declutter those. It's bad in there. And then the last thing I have in here is I actually thought this was the Sweet Chef one that we got in our Ultimate box. We got like the Sweet Chef one, and I thought this was exactly it because it had very similar packaging. But this is actually their Hydrating Gel Cream, and this is by NARS, and it is a Skin Meditation Gel Cream. It's 98% natural, alcohol-free, fragrance-free, no animal testing, paraben-free, natural colors, GMO-free, SLS-free, PEG-free, phthalates-free, and silicone-free. Wow. This is quite interesting. I definitely think I'm going to have to read into it and look into that brand more, but This is really cool. So this is the packaging right here. It's just a sleek white bottle. And then it's got a nice little pump to it. Let's go ahead and just, and then there it is right there. Ooh, it's very cooling. You know, that is everything from this month's bag. Let me know down below what you guys are getting and what you're most excited about. I definitely will say that this box completely blew the ultimate out of the water. If you guys are looking to get into Ipsy, if you guys are looking to subscribe to Ipsy, I definitely will say the Glam Bag Plus is where it's at. This one retails for $25, I believe, and it's definitely right there. It's the right amount. You get really good quality products, and it's definitely worth the splurge. So if that's what you guys are looking for and you guys want to check it out more, make sure to look down below. All that information will be there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your afternoon, and I will see you guys all in my next video, which is tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.